Hello, Math Champions. We will be discussing these concepts like significant figures and decimal places in this video. Now, before I go to that, I'm assuming that you know about this rounding concept, rounding up, rounding down. That means it's also called as nearest, okay? Nearest to 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. I hope you know that. If you do not know that, please check out my other video in my channel to understand that first. Okay, rounding off, made simple, made easy. That video is there in my channel. Go ahead and watch that one before you continue this. If you already know to round off, right, round up, round down. For example, if I have 1242, if I say round off to nearest 10, then the answer would be 1240. If I say nearest 100, then the answer would be 1200. If I say do it off to nearest 1000, then the answer would be 1000. I hope you know this. I'm just doing a recap. If you do not know that, go watch that video first and then come back to this video. If you already know this, let's go ahead and understand the further concept in this called as significant figures and decimal places. Okay. Okay. So now, for understanding rounding off with decimal numbers, okay, let's take say 31 times 31 sorry 31.187. Let's say this is our decimal number. Okay, now if I ask you to round it off to 3 significant figures, what is the meaning of this? Round off to 3SF. Round off to 3SF, significant figures. Significant figures means digits. Okay. So now they want 3 significant digits. That means totally 3 digits has to be there. As of now, if you see, there are 5 digits, right? 3, 1, 1, 8, 7. There are 5 digits here. Now they are saying that we have to get only 3 significant digits. See, significant means what? See, if I remove off the 3, means if I make it of 1.18, something like that, if I make, it doesn't make sense because it was a 31. I will make it as 1 point, which is not at all right? So significant usually means the digits in the leftmost places, those will be significant confirmly. Okay, that means 3 will be there. Okay, and one digit is over and 31. So 30, this also is a significant digit for us. From the left side, we start counting 1 digit over, 2 digit over, 3 significant figures. So 2 significant figures are over. Now, the next significant figure is 1. Okay, I'll write that. So as far as they have asked, only 3 significant figures are over. But now you have to round it off. That means think the next one is a 8. That means it's more than 4. More than 5, isn't it? So we know that whenever it's more than 5, we'll have to increase the left position. That means if it's a 1, 8, okay, if you round off, it will become a 2, right? Then here it become 2, 0. That means if you have to round off 18, right, it will become a 20, isn't it? So that's what we are doing. Instead of a 1, 8, it's a 20, 2, 0. Okay. Now, if you see the 0 is not a significant digit, even if you don't write it, it's okay. So now this is called rounding off this number, decimal number, to 3 significant digits. Now, if I say round off to 4 significant digits, how would that be? It will be 31.18. Next, if you see the 7 is there. 7 means again you have to increase it. Which one will you increase? This 8 will get increased to 9. So 4 significant digits means this will be the answer. Now if you say round off to 2 significant digits, okay, round off to 2 significant digits, that means I know 31 is required, of course. After that, if you see point, 1 is there. 1 means your thing will not increase, right? This 1 will not increase. So it remains as 31. If it was like 31.587, for same 2 significant digits, what it would have become? 31. Now, because it's a 5, it has to increase. So it will become 32. I hope you're understanding it. If you have understood the rounding concept, you'll understand this one. So significant figures means number of digits. That is the meaning. Okay. Now let's take the same thing. If now they are saying round it off to 2 decimal places. Okay. 2 dp. Same question, same number I'm going to take. That means what? This is particularly about the digits after the decimal point. That means after the decimal point, they want 2 numbers, 2 digits, right? So it will be 1 and 8. Now, because this is 7 after the 8, this will get rounded up. That means it will become a 9. If they say 3 decimal places, what will happen? 31 only. You won't consider anything about the 31 because it is before the decimal point. So only after the decimal point, I want 3 digits. Then I'm taking 3 digits will come. If I say I want only 1 decimal point, that means, okay, after the 31, after the decimal point, I should have only 1. If you see this one, it will come like this. Now they are saying, it's 8. So it will get increased to 2. It will get this digit, 1 digit after the decimal point become 31.2. If you see here, if you notice, this one and this one is same. That means 3 significant digits and 1 decimal point rounding off, they are same. This is not the case always, okay? You just understand the significant figures means number of digits. Decimal places means it is the number of digits after the decimal place. This is the way you have to understand this. I hope you got this concept clear. I will see you in the next video with yet another concept. Until then, bye-bye.